mastermind.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, it's your girl dipped in chocolate, and I'm here today with another video for you guys. So please like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification to be notified when I post. Please go in my description for my merch, and also follow my social medias down in the description below. So guys, stay tuned. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do 5 natural hair styles. Mostly for 4C hair, because my hair is 4C. Well, I think it's mixed with 4B, but I don't know. Guys, comment down in the description below and tell me what's my ear type. I believe it's 4C. Persons from Jamaica who is saying I'm talking with an accent is because there are persons overseas that say they don't understand my language and they want to watch my channel, but they do not understand me. So I'm going to be speaking standard English with a little bit of twang. So let me do the intro back from a Jamaican. Wagwan, my people. Big up on yourself. Right the star. Yeah. So people, the first style today is up in one. So I'm going to be using this. Yes, I'm going to be using this lace. This lace is from my my Air Force One. So first I got to comb out your hair. Okay guys, so it's all combed out, okay? So I'm going to be combing it. Oh my god. I thought I detangled it already. Okay guys, so it's combed up in one. Okay, so I'll be using the cholesterol tea tree oil to moisturize my hair. It gives your hair strength to face another day. I'm just kidding. It gives your hair strength, so I'm just going to moisturize my hair with it so that my hair won't look dry. I'm also going to use the Perline hair food so that my hair don't look dry also. Yeah. These hairstyles can also be worn to work, to school. Yeah, it's an everyday hairstyle for 4C and 4B hair. Okay, so today I'll be using the olive oil hair gel. I don't use a lot of this. As you guys can see, this is what I use so far. And it carries my hair. I don't like to use a lot of gel in my hair. I mostly put the gel in the front part of my hair. I'm very stingy because I am the one purchasing these, so I don't really like to use it up. Even though it's very affordable, guys. It's about 250 Jamaican dollars, so it's not really expensive. And when I put in a lot of things in my hair, when it's wash day, it's very difficult to wash out, so I don't take it as a practice to use a lot of chemicals in my hair. So you just take the thread, not the thread, this anything you can use. You can use shoelace, you can use string, you can use anything, because anything I find, I just use it. So you place it at the front part of your hair. You can start at the back, but I choose to start at the front, because this part being at the back, if you guys can see it, that part being at the back grabs the back, and you just grab it up. Yes guys, I usually use a shorter lace, but today I found this one, so I'm just using this one for this video. So you can just puff it out a little bit. And they use, and I don't really like how it look when I have it out like that, so sometimes I would just, yes, and and turn it around. My face is so oily. Yes, guys, sleek. Watch forehead. And for the persons who like edges, I may use too much. I'm gonna just do the edges for you guys. See, the hairstyle is coming along so nicely. It's coming along so nicely. Like, edges make everything better. Rate this one from 1 to 10. This is just a casual look. I think I should put in more edges though. More edges would make it pop more. Don't it, guys? Comment down below and tell me you like it with edges or without. I'm killing that with my style. Guys, rate this from 1 to 10. So next look. So now it's time to put the hair in 2. So you start from your nostril, going up, going up, going up. People, bear in mind I didn't take out the edges because the edges did not even flinch. That's how good this thing is. Like, it's so perfect for your 4C hair. It's so perfect for your 4C hair, people. Oh my god, that is not even straight. What are you doing? Oh my god. Yo. It is so depressing to talk like this, but people, that is what the people them want. So I gotta give it to them. Because even when I talk the Mesolek, they don't really understand. Okay, you know that the Mesolek is the mixture of Patois and Standard English. They don't really understand. So, gotta give them what they want. Right, I forgot to take out the thing out of it. So 3 more hairstyles to go. People, when I usually do this hairstyle, one side usually do better than the other. So you comb up, use the brush with a little bit of gel around the back of your hair. You see, if your hair is stubborn, you put a lot of gel. A good amount of gel, not a lot of gel. And you grasp the hair. You see them strong hand there? I got a man's hand. You grasp the hair and get your scungy and you turn, you grasp. Every time you turn, you grasp. You turn, you grasp. You turn, you turn. You see, I'm just turn the logo. You grasp the hair so that you don't see no buff or nothing in the hair. You turn, every time you turn, you grasp. People look like my ear are growth, you know. You turn, you grasp. Okay. Do the same for this side. Make sure so the ear level. I don't feel like that level, you know. I don't feel like it level at all. Turn your grasp. You turn your grasp. You turn your grasp. You turn your grasp. You turn your grasp. It's not gonna look like this because I have these. These are my superheroes. Guys, you see, if you have 4C ear and you don't have no earpin, you're killing yourself. That is suicide. You're suicidal. You can't have 4C here and don't have any earpins. So I don't really like it out. I don't really like my hair out. So that's why I have so many earpins to pin it together. What you do about the edges, like edges make everything look better. I think I'm going to change the way these edges look. edges make everything look better. So guys, you're looking much better. Rate this one out of 10. Looking like a body. So guys, I'm going to be doing a cornrow at the front. Like, it's going to be kind of difficult. A cornrow at the front, 2 cornrows at the front, and I'm going to be letting the back out. So now I'm going to be doing inside cornrow, I think, because I have some of these hairstyle I'm doing, I don't do them none at all. It just come up in my head. I'm like, okay, I'm going to do it. So guys, as you can see, I'm doing it to this side, taking my time. So I'll be doing the same thing to this side. I'll be combing it out and getting a piece so that I can section it out in 3, because as I said, I'm not a professional. It's just hairstyles that I do on a regular basis. Well, not this though. What a pitney ugly. I'm pretty now one. So yes, now mother saga just froze out the back. Here all my ear dry like chips. You know one thing, you put it in one chips bag or some ear dry, and people just know say me put enough all night. Ear red still dry. So mother saga fuzz it out, comb it out and such and such and such on each side. And me I make sure so the part in the middle what una see now, where you right in the sun, it not show. Yeah. I'll bring it down. Yeah. To be honest, this is my favorite hairstyle from this experience. These are hairstyles that I don't really do on a regular basis, because my 4C hair loves to shrink and it loves to get tangled up, so I don't really let out my hair like this. But I am thinking about doing this hairstyle. People, bear in mind, don't come for me in the comment section, but I am very stingy with my gel, and I don't bring my gel or put my gel in any place that anybody can use it, because I am not using it, period. Don't beg me for my gel. Guys, to be honest, I have never done this before. Oops, gotta tuck this under. Okay, so guys, to be honest, I have never done this hairstyle before. I have seen it on the internet a lot of times, but I've never done it before. And this is my favorite so far. Guys, I don't usually... Ooh, watch this done. Ooh. Guys, I don't usually let my hair out like this, but I am thinking about doing it. But to the back right here, I feel like I'm going to like wet it so it can get some curls and all that. I'm going to use the tea tree oil alongside some water. It's just water. There you go. It's just water. Hey, yeah. So I'm going to use some water and tea tree oil and do it. So guys, our 3 hairstyles. I'm crooked. Okay. 3 hairstyles so far. 2 more to go. Yeah. So this hairstyle can be worn multiple ways. So the second one, so I'm going to just part this in 2 again. So guys, this could be your Friday hairstyle. You know, Friday is the day that you just get all pretty and bougie up to just look pretty to go to school. Yes, so this could be your Friday hairstyle, letting it out. But this one that I'm doing could be the Monday, you know, looking all formal and ready for school hairstyle. So I'm just going to put it in like a piggy tail at the back and like tuck it. Should I tuck it like that, or should I just... Okay, so I'm just going to tuck it like that. Yes. Yeah, guys, I'm just going to catch it like that, catch it up, and just tuck it on there. Ooh, girl, you so fine. You so fine, but your braid is like, whoa. I made it myself like that. Guys, I think I need to do this to go to school tomorrow. This is really pretty. This is really pretty, guys. These hairstyles are really pretty. But guys, so the last one is I'm going to put this hairstyle up in one with this same corner at the front. This corner at the front is doing its job. Like, guys, comment down below and tell me, how do you like these hairstyles? So it's out. Guys, I don't use scrunchies or none of these things to catch up my hair in one because, oh my god. Oh my god. Like, this is the time when the sun feel like it wants to come out. So I'm just going to wonder if I should do it a puffy. Oh god. I forgot to comb it out. It's going into one, in 2. Like, if you understand what I say. It's in one, but it's splitting in 2. Yeah, comb it out and, you know, let the part disappear. Guys, comment down below. Aren't I the funnest YouTuber on this thing? I'm just fun. I just play with you guys and talk to you guys. I talk to you guys anytime. Like, I'll just be like, okay, I'm going to do a video. I need to talk to these. I wonder if I should wrap it. I feel like it's not up like how I want it to be. But this right here is cool. Guys, bear in mind, I just used the lace. So guys, that's it for today. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And turn your post notifications to be notified when I post again. Oh my god, there's so much to say. Guys, go check out this thing. To be honest, I like it. And it smells pretty good. It smells minty. And this is what I use on my natural hair. I like it. I love it. Guys, look at my edges. It's staying. This is what I use for oil. And it's pretty good. I don't change it. I usually use Blue Magic, but Black Magic, boy, I talk about Blue Magic and all of them something there, but I like this more. I use this too, but this is not healthy for your hair. My old toothbrush. Yeah, guys, so make sure, say, as a black girl with 4C, 4A, 4B here, make sure you have at least pack of this. Because nothing lasts more than them here. Nothing lasts more than them there. Like, with them gone more while, where are they going more while? Like, where are you going? Anyways, love you guys. Respect you guys. Respect yourself. Respect your parents. Respect your family. Just go on with yourself. My love on the bar. Right this song. I don't know if I say no more. Bye. Wait, no. I not use that. May I use this? Bye.